In this clip, we are going to talk about the strategy that 95% of you are actually going to ignore when it comes to SEO. But before I do, if you like clips on marketing, on business, on entrepreneurship, don't forget to subscribe whatever platform you are on. So let's talk about this. The number one strategy most people don't talk about, like they talk about, oh, I got hit by a Google update. I'm not getting enough traffic. I'm not getting enough love from Google. SEO doesn't work. They're saying all these things. Well, people forget that all the content that you create, people forget to update it, right? So if you get hit by an update, like a Google, algorithm update, guess what? Just try updating that piece of content. And updating has been one of the core pieces that I've been utilizing over the last couple of years. Wikipedia does it all the time. That's why they rank for so many things. Neil, actually, when I was talking to him yesterday, he has 3 full-time people just dedicated to updating his blog, and he spends about $20,000 a month just on that. And so that's a secret weapon, because if you use Ahrefs's Content Explorers, you can actually see how often people are updating their content, and the people that are updating their content all the time, those are the winners. When you think about Wikipedia, you think about Yelp, you think about TripAdvisor, you think about Expedia, there's all these people writing user-generated content, and it's getting updated all the time. But most of us don't have that luxury. So think about updating your content, how you can, if you don't have that luxury, think about how you can hire maybe one part-time resource, and then, if it starts to work really well, start to hire a full-time resource, and then start to hire 3 full-time resources like what Neil has. And then from there, you are going to have something that's very difficult to beat, because you're going to extra distance that other people aren't willing to go when it comes to content. Everyone else is just publishing. They're not spending enough time on updating, and they're also not spending enough on the other activities that other people don't want to spend time on, which is link building, right? So update your content, and then do the stuff that other people aren't doing. Hopefully, we'll talk about this another day. We'll talk about your link velocity another day. So that is one thing that you need to be doing right now if you're producing content. If you're doing at least 1 or 2 blog posts a week right now, you got to be doing it right now. If you're just starting, maybe worry about this later. So let us know what you plan to do in the comments around this strategy, or if you think I'm wrong, let me know in the comments as well. And don't forget to rate, review, and subscribe whatever platform you are on, and we'll see you tomorrow.